Kani kadai ka Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingin bat penbha.
Kaseng kisamla pule jongga jela Arunachal Pradesh ka All Arunachal Pradesh Students Union hakishipauterik unai weng arajar khatpra kalarakhe ya ka pri si dioni hanong ba shalong da ka jingsha jingrai jingtem jemput penrai jongki kabala penlong ha Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture ha kabalawan ban kurku kurdo ya kane ka tamasa lekmen dau reri tuter dulam Station Superintendent STS Itanagar kum ukongsan lembat ke jing senran lang jong samla Donald V. Thaba, General Secretary jong kaseng Khasi Students Union kum usumbuat kongsan. Hagane kasngi lai don langru Umalin Nalo, Assistant RTI Secretary jong ka Apsu kum special guest. Laban kedau hang ni bagane gadai ga wei na jing le niam jong gijaj don reu tagin jong ka jilla Arunachal Pradesh hagaba unibu ubalong kum usoblei ujupun long ka jing duai dupat ban aingo yaki belai baru ban priang burom yau snem thamai ban kiu ka kamai ka ji ka yo ka kot ban bha ka ot ka rep ka riang ban yo ka jing yada na ka sniu ka sme ban koj ban khia krat la pan shong kun shong sba ya ka ne ka sngi da ki jing shat kum ka chung gane koni bokar riabu bat takar ghene bat kum juru ka shat hoyi penam da ki kun hon ba pher ki basa hang ni hanong ba shalong hala ki riam tan rai jongki.
I came to realize that yes, Sidoni is also a festival celebrated with regards to agriculture, which is the main form of occupation of the people of Arunachal Pradesh. This strikes in my mind that whether it is in Arunachal Pradesh, it is in Meghalaya, Assam, Manipur or Mizoram, we all have a common festival. We all have common markers whereby we express, we exhibit our distinct culture. Sidoni, as I know, is a festival to invoke upon the deities, upon the spirits of Mother Earth and the Sun to give us a good harvest in the coming year. Celebrated in the month of January or February, if I'm not mistaken. This festival indulge in various activities, in various rites and festivals. Dances are there, sacrifices of animals are there, including the majestic mutton, which I am very happy I had just now. We know that all these activities, all these rites and rituals are being performed to appease the deities, the sun and the moon, for another prosperous agricultural year. Amongst us, the Khasis also, we have numerous festivals whereby we invoke the spirits of the deities to give us a good harvest at the end of the year. By tomorrow itself, the Khasis are going to observe the Shah Pomblang or the Shah Nongkrem, which is known to the outside world as the Nongkrem dance, being celebrated in Nongkrem in Smith village at the outskirts of Shillong. In the same manner also, we the Khasis also, we indulge in sacrificing of goats, of roosters, whereby we can predict whether this will be a good year, where we will get a good harvest. So I've seen that whether any states in Northeast India, the indigenous communities, they celebrate it, they observe, they pray for a good harvest, for a good life.
I appeal my youngers, whatever you are doing great. You are doing great because, see, we have to die one day. Every individual, every community, though you belong to Christianity, though you belong to Mohammedan, though you belong to Sikhism, though you belong to Hinduism, though you belong to any other culture, we have to born with the result to die. So everyone will die. And this is the creation of the nature. No one can challenge that I will not die. Everyone has to die. But what I mean, though even we take a given span of life, we should, as much as possible, we should try to protect our, promote our, and preserve our own culture.
Arunachal,